All right, quick one, guys. So, myself and my VP members, we are trading Boom 500 right now. We are scalping. We took out some profits already. All right, but I just needed to make this video to show you guys how we are doing today, and to encourage every one of you to see that trading really works. People make a lot of legit money trading. You don't have to do anything illegal to make money online. So just this is to encourage you guys. I keep sharing this free information on here because I know a lot of people who are willing to do something legal with their life, something tangible, something that will give them back the money they spend on data and all of that. So this is me trying to show you guys. I was supposed to step out though, but I'm just making this sacrifice right now to create this video and to show you guys this powerful strategy, a combination of three indicators that works really effectively, guys. So as I said, I myself and my VIP, we've caught, you can see we already met our target here, and we are still in profit. All right, I had to change the background the background of my chart so I can show you guys how this works. And I like the white background when I'm creating videos so that everybody can see clearly. I know the black background has a way of just discouraging your sight. So this strategy, like I said, is very powerful. It's very powerful, and it works both ways. It works both ways. It works for catching of spikes, and it also works for scalping the market. All right, as you can see here, we are scalping. We are scalping. This was our entry, and I'm going to explain in details how we came up with this entry and how we have been confident that this is going to work out, and then how that we are going to meet our target. Of course, we took out our target right here. So you can see how effective it is. See our entry, and you can see how many. If I tell you guys that you can catch up to 50 ticks on this using this strategy, you probably won't believe it, but this is it, guys. You can see the spikes that came um are not even long. They're not spikes they're not scary at all. You can see they're just tiny spikes that just it happens. Spikes has to come as far as you're trading the boom and crash market. All right, but when you know what you're doing, you will trade confidently. So this strategy is going to show you guys how to trade confidently, how to catch a lot of candlesticks on the 5 minutes time frame, guys. All right, you can catch up to 15 to 20 to 30 candlesticks on the 5 minutes time frame, on the 5 minutes time frame, guys, on the 5 minutes time frame. So let's go straight to it, guys. Let me first of all show you guys the setup of this indicator. I don't want this video to be long. I'm going to show you guys the setup of this indicator. I'm going to explain how it works for for scalping the boom and crash market. All right, so first of all, we want to add the envelopes to our chart. Period 14, shift of 0, deviation should be 0.1, 0.100. Okay, and then the method should be simple, apply to close. There's no levels needed on this, so you don't need to add any level. And then for time frame, you should just leave it at all time frames. And then for style, guys, please maintain the colors on my chart. All right, maintain the colors of my orb. You can actually use any color of your choice, but make sure it is visible on your screen. For upper band, use green. I'm using green for my upper band, and I'm using red for my lower band. So you're good with that. You just click done, and you would have these lines, the green and red lines on your main chart. Okay, you'll have the green and red lines on your main chart. And then the next indicator we'll be adding is the relative strength index with following properties. Period 1, apply to close. Level should be 20 and 80. All right, 20 and 80. The color here should be the same as your charts, as the background of your chart. All right, so click done when you're done with that, and please leave it at all time frames. Okay, ensure to also use the color the style should be the color the same as the one on your background, your chart background. So you click done when you're done with that, and then you should have the RSI setup on your indicator window 1. Now let me clear this guy so that you see what it looks like when you set up just the RSI. When you have your RSI, you have this background plain without anything inside, right? To just come, you just have the levels here and here. This is the sell region and this is the buy region right here. Okay, so yeah, good with that. You just click on the indicator window 1 this time and add your moving average, guys. The following setup: period 10, shift should be 0, method should be exponential, apply to close, no levels is needed, so you don't add any level. And then time frame, leave it at all time frames. And this time, the style, the color, right, it should be a color that will be visible on your charts. Okay, you can decide to use whatever color that you can see clearly on your chart. If you're using the white background, you know you should use dark colors. If you're using the black background, you know you should use bright colors. All right, so you click done, and that's why we have it here. All right, that's why we have this line here in this section. Okay, so how does this strategy really work? How does it really work? It is this strategy will show you will help you detect the direction of the market. All right, will help you, will tell you your position in the market, and then you will be able to tell when you should either go for a sell or for a buy. Okay, you'll be able to tell whether you should go for a sell or for a buy. Now, like I said earlier in the beginning of this video, this strategy works both ways. You can use it to catch spikes, you can equally use it to scalp, but for the sake of this content, we are using it to scalp right now because of the trade we are on right now. We are scalping, we are selling the boom market. Now if you are selling the boom market, you are scalping, and if you are catching spikes, you are trying to catch spikes on the boom market, you should be buying. Okay, the same goes for the crash market. The opposite goes for the crash market. If you are to catch spikes on the crash market, you should be selling. All right, and if you are to scalp the crash market, you should be buying. So for the boom market, all right, I'll probably make another video to show you how it works for the crash market. Well, I'm not going to do it here because I don't want this video to be really long. So for the boom market, for you to scalp the boom market successfully, these are the things you look out for. Okay, now this is the 5 minutes time frame here. We are on the 5 minutes time frame right now. So immediately you place your entry. Once you find the right place to put your entry, once you do that, if you are to count the candlesticks, let's say you're trying to be careful, you don't want to risk too much, you don't want to be greedy. If you want to count the candlesticks, you should now switch to the 1 minute time frame and start counting. If you want to catch up to 30 candlesticks on the 1 minute time frame, that's fine. You can catch up to 30 candlesticks on the 1 minute time frame, right? But this strategy works better. It shows you clearly, it shows you the market clearly or clearer on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so how do you do this? Right, so you just want to, for you to sell, for you to scalp the market, okay, this is what you want to look at. You want to see that the black line here, the moving average line on this indicator window 1 is at this area. Okay, ensure that it is already at this area. Okay, once it's at this area, the sell region here, this is to say that price has come to a resistance level. Okay, this is to say that price has come to a resistance level. People who are familiar with price action would understand what I'm saying, but if you are not familiar with price action, just follow the instructions here and you'll be good. So when price is at the resistance level, what usually happens is price would likely sell from that region. Okay, that's the region that usually pushes price back downwards. All right, so when price is there, the next thing you want to look out for is the next thing you want to look out for is to ensure that the candlesticks, the market, make sure that price crosses the red line here and is going below the red line here, right? Ensure that price crosses the red line here and goes below it. Okay, that happened here. That's why I placed a sell here, right? That's why you're seeing this sell position here. And I'm going to just backtest right now and show you other places that it works exactly the same. But first, let me repeat again. I said that price has to come to your sell region here. This signifies that price that's your resistance zone. And then once that happens, then you now wait for your candlesticks, ensure that price crosses the red line here. Okay, once it crosses the red line here and it goes below this red line, then you can find an entry around that zone. Okay, once you place an entry, you want to start counting the candlesticks from the 1 minute time frame or whatever time frame you want to count from. All right, to be able to set your target. Okay, so for you to be able to scalp, okay, for you to be able to catch spikes, I mean, now you should allow price to make sure this black line comes to this region. Okay, make sure it comes to level 20 here. Once that happens, ensure that price crosses the green line on your main chart. All right, I don't know what colors you're going to use, but make sure you understand the colors very well. All right, the green line here is your upper band. All right, so whatever color you use for the upper band, you should always have it in mind. So whenever price crosses the upper band here, and then you would have seen that your moving average here is at the RSI level 20 here. That shows that price is already at your buy region. Okay, this is your buy region. That means price is at your support level, and you'd understand better if you are a price action trader. Okay, we train our students to understand price action very well, and it's very mandatory for you to know price action if you want to win in this business for a very long time. Okay, so you can reach out if you want to learn price action. Our mentorship is as low as $60 right now. We are actually giving out that massive discount offer because we want to impact a lot of lives, and we want to do this for us to be able to meet our goal. Okay, so ensure that this black line, which is your moving average, has come to the level 20 here, which is the buy region, and also ensure that price has crossed the green line here, your upper band of the envelopes. Ensure that it has crossed, and then you can find an entry around that place. If you buy around this region, you can see that it kept spiking all the way up. All right, reach out to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number will be in the description of this video, so that you can, if you have challenges, you can just I can be able to explain better. Okay, people who try to reach out to know Zoom levels and all of that, please come to my WhatsApp. I can't respond to everybody on the comment section on YouTube. All right, but just if you come to me on WhatsApp, I will give you a more instant response. Okay, I will be able to give you a more instant response. So ensure you practice this very well. Make sure it works. Try it first on your demo. Make sure it works very well. Make sure you understand it. Make sure you are good with it, and then you can now apply it to your live account and make money for yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're about to smash the second target. I can't wait to announce to my people that we have smashed the second target, guys. Peace.